How can we optimize startup time of a Spring Boot application?
To improve startup time in Spring Boot app, we should 1. Use lazy initialization to reduce memory usage. You can use the @lazy annotation to load beans only when they are needed though. Minimize auto configuration. Disable unnecessary auto configurations in your application.properties or application.yml file. 3. Profile specific configuration. Use profiles to load configurations selectively based on the environment. 4. Reduce dependencies. Only include dependencies that your application truly needs. Use a tool like Spring Boot Starter Parent to manage dependencies effectively. 5. Class path scanning. Limit class path scanning to only necessary packages.
What all annotations have you used in Spring Boot?
I have used multiple annotations like @Spring Boot application @configuration @path variable @request body @autowired @rest controller @bean enable auto configuration.
Have you used @qualifier annotation?
Yes. @qualifier annotation in Spring is used to differentiate a bean among the same type of bean objects.
What is Spring Boot App Port?
Spring Boot Framework provides a default embedded Tomcat server to run the Spring Boot application. The default port is 8080. We can also change this default port.
What is @order annotation in Spring Boot?
@order annotation in Spring Boot represents the order of execution of a bean or an annotated component. The annotation @order has an optional value argument which takes an integer value.
What are Spring Boot profiles?
Profiles in Spring Boot allow developers to define different sets of configurations for their application depending on the environment it is being run in. This can be very useful for managing different deployment scenarios and making sure that your application runs correctly in each environment.
How are the @REST controller and @controller annotation different?
@controller is used to declare common web controllers which can return HTTP response, but @REST controller is used for REST APIs which can return JSON.
Guys, if you like the video, if you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some feedback, please comment on the comment section of the video. Me and my colleague have around 14 years of experience in tech, and we are trying to share it as much as possible via this channel. So please continue watching our channel. And thanks for watching our video. Keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning. Thank you.